This is Free Talk Business 2, Lesson 8, Review How to Communicate More Effectively. You're always so clear when you speak, Sarah. How did you learn to do that? I think it comes from crafting your message carefully and practicing how to deliver it confidently. That makes sense. I get nervous and speak too quickly, even when it's not necessary. I used to feel the same way, but I started watching great speakers and taking notes. I also frequently record myself. That's a good idea. Do you ever worry that giving too much praise might sound like a lie? As long as it's honest, a good compliment can build trust. That's true. I'll try to give more positive feedback in meetings. Go for it. The more you practice, the more naturally and confidently you'll speak. Okay, good job.